preparing for job interview is an essential task. A well-researched and proper homework including focused approach can better your chance to succeed in an interview. In this video, we shall demonstrate how procurement professionals should prepare for a senior role. Your center of attention should be on strategy, decision-making, relationship with top management, process improvement, team building, and sustainable growth. You should prepare yourself in line with these. Tell me about yourself. Usual first question by interviewer. Multiple videos are available in YouTube on Tell Me About Yourself. But you may not find a video like this one with detailed narratives and structured explanations, including specific examples. So watch this video till end. To answer this question, don't start describing your education, past job history, and your personal information. These all are already mentioned in your resume. Interviewer wants to understand whether you are well versed about procurement leaders' significant qualities. Your skill set. How you decide procurement strategy. How you make decision. And what value you can bring on table. Appropriate answer of this question can build your career. But a confused answer can kill the opportunity for you. You need to structure your answer properly and systematically. Remember, the first impression of interviewer will decide your fate. Start your answer with this opening statement. In next 15 to 20 minutes, I shall elaborate about my skill set including value-added procurement strategy and decision-making methodology which I had established. Next step is to arrange your explanation under multiple sections. First section. In this section you need to summarize your key focus area. Sample answer. Being procurement professional, my key focus is to generate value from transparent transactions, craft the procurement strategies, informed decision-making, collaboration with all stakeholders, build a cohesive environment and create a win-win situation. Second section. Here you need to explain your skill sets. Sample answer. Let me elaborate more to understand the key elements I ensure for an efficient decision-making. Market research and intelligence. Risk analysis and mitigation. Cost and spend analysis. Cash flow enhancement. Vendor management including rationalization and relationship. Setting up best practices to ensure sustainable growth. Collaboration with all internal and external stakeholders including support to business development team. Development of team with competency mapping to make sure process compliances and to achieve targets as per set KPIs. Third section. In this section you need to touch upon your current role very briefly and let your interviewer knows about your area of works. Sample answer. In my current assignment, I am heading procurement function. I am responsible to formulate procurement strategies and manage complete sourcing operation for capital equipment, various packages, service contracts, vendor management, post-order management and process improvement. Fourth section. Here you need to give few examples. To showcase your competency and value addition to create different procurement strategies for various categories. Like EPC contract, capital procurement, sourcing of product or system packages, service contract, process improvement, knowledge about vendor base etc. I am providing 2 examples for your understanding. Don't copy-paste this example unless you have on-hand experience on these. Taking a clue from this, you can give example based on your own experience and area of works. Sample answer. Let me cite few examples to understand 360-degree analysis for my decision-making. My current organization is in EPC business. Structural steel building is one of the major cost drivers which contributes around 20 to 25% cost. So far the practice was to procure project-wise structural steel and hand over to contractors for execution. Many times it leads to raw material cost escalation, stock outage or excess inventory, idle labor, resulting project delay and cost overrun. The strategy implemented by me is to consolidate requirement across all projects along with schedule. In order to mitigate the risk of supply chain and cost, cross-functional team evaluated potential vendors who have the capability of engineering, manufacturing, and execution and ensure quality, milestone achievements and maintain safety protocols at all sites. All qualified vendors were on board. Contract was signed for complete design, material procurement, erection and commissioning, which eliminates the major risk of change in schedule and cost overrun. Vendors are now being involved right from tendering stage and working in tandem with business development and procurement team. By giving this answer you have covered all your skill sets and leadership approach which were described under second section. For capital equipment procurement, my strategy is to make decision based on life cycle costing. Give example of life cycle costing of DG set and decision making for its procurement. I have already covered life cycle costing topic in my earlier video. A link is provided in description box. You can go through this for understanding. Fifth section. In this section you need to mention about your knowledge and experience on global vendor base. Sample answer. I have extensive experience to work with reputed vendors in APAC, EU, Middle East area and maintain healthy relationship with them. Sixth and last section. In this section you need to briefly summarize and highlight key skills for concluding impact. Sample answer. In order to summarize my domain expertise, it is not only procurement of material or services but also to collaborate with all stakeholders for best decision. Leadership. Empower team members. Supplier relationship. Ensure value and ethics. An overall focus on sustainable growth and profitability of company. Your answer ends here. With this thoughtful and structured presentation, your position become very strong and impressive for this leadership opportunity. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel and share it.